Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Guys, I'm coming to you today with another collaboration. This one is the Blue and White Tablescape collaboration. And the hosts for this collab are Miss Cynthia, She's So Blessed, and the wonderful, mysterious Alberta. If you have not been to their channels, you really should do that. Both ladies have a lot of great content. And I'm just really glad to be able to participate and make sure that you go to their channels and show some love if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, I hope that you will do that. Join the family and make sure you click that notifications button so that you'll be updated every time I upload new content. Now again, so today's collaboration is blue and white, the Blue and White Tablescape. And so guys, I'll get a little bit closer and kind of show you what I did and my take on it. So my place settings, I have dark blue placemats on top of silver placemats. Just to give it a little interest. And I've got silver chargers, white plates, and blue and white plates on top, and they're layered with blue and white plates, I should say. Now, all of these plates, including the placemats, the chargers, etc., come from Home Goods, except for the white plate that comes from Burlington. Now I'm just using some plain glass stemware on the table, and I've got some navy napkins that I got from Home Goods, and some stemware holding that napkin that I think I got from Home Goods, I'm not sure. In the middle, I've got the table draped with a little royal blue fabric. And on top of that, I have a mirror. I don't have to tell you, you guys know I have a cake stand under there. But anyway, I have a mirror. And then on top of that is actually layered another cake stand. And I'll get down so that you can see it. It's royal blue. Even almost, it's dark enough, I guess it could be navy. Maybe a navy blue. And then, you know, just some votives around that. My centerpiece is, or my vase is, if you saw a video or two ago, I did a little DIY where I used some Mod Podge and glitter to change up a little plain glass vase that I had. Well, that's this vase. And the florals are a mix of a couple of different shades of blue and white flowers. And this was another DIY creation of mine. I just used a round white foam floral ball. I go to usually Walmart or the dollar store and get my flowers. I don't spend a lot of money on those. And that's it. Put together that centerpiece. So that vase did come in handy after all. And what else do I have here? Nothing much. Just like I said, some plain glassware. Instead of using napkin rings, I just decided to fold the napkins and put them inside of the glasses. I've got some florals on the table. And that's really it. I've got regular stemware here. I'm sorry, flatware here. And guys, there weren't a lot of rules or anything on this. We were told we could use any shade of blue that we wanted. And you can tell I combined a couple different shades to come up with this. I just have, I do have a glass table. I covered it today with a white linen tablecloth. Got some white pillows in my chairs. And that's it. So I hope you like what I came up with. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on this video. It really does help the channel. And please make sure that you check out the links that I'll have in the description box. I'll have the playlist there when it's available for any other participants in this collaboration so that you can find their videos. And I will also have links to the host channels. And again, that is Miss Mysterious Alberta and Miss Cynthia She's So Blessed. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I'll stop talking now and just let you look at the tablescape. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.